Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix voice chat in Destiny 2. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix voice chat in Destiny 2? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, fix one, perform the basic troubleshooting processes that you need to do. So check your speaker and headphone connections. Make sure they're connected properly and not, half-assed, right? Even so, try plugging and unplugging and then replugging them. See if it works. If your device comes with a mic switch, make sure that it is on and not off. Fix two is check your voice chat settings. So log into Destiny 2 through Steam and then open settings menu, then select sound and turn on voice chat like this, as you can see here, right? So when you do this, usually it's on by default. So kind of like GTA, maybe you just turn it on and off to see if it works like that. But usually this does the job. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.